Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Etsy Analytics for deductible seller expenses. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Etsy Analytics for deductible seller expenses, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. On the left sidebar, select Shop Manager to access your shop dashboard. From the Shop Manager, click on Stats to view your shop's performance metrics. Within the Stats section, you will find various analytics about your shop's activity. Scroll down to find the Listing Performance section, which tracks the effectiveness of your listings. Here, you can analyze views, favorites, and sales data for each product. Next, look for the Traffic Sources section to see where your visitors are coming from. Check the Revenue tab to view sales figures and revenue generated from your shop. To keep track of deductible expenses, navigate back to the main Shop Manager page. From there, click on Finance to access your financial information. Under Finance, select Payment Account to review fees associated with your sales. Make note of all transaction fees, shipping costs, and advertising expenses. To download your financial reports, click on Reports within the Finance section. Select the desired time frame for your expense report and choose Download CSV to get a copy. Utilizing these analytics tools will help you manage and categorize your deductible seller expenses. Reviewing this data regularly will support your financial planning and tax preparation. That's how you activate and use Etsy Analytics for tracking deductible seller expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.